Namaskar. We usually hear that diabetes is a long life condition. But actually, type 2 diabetes is not a life sentence. It's a lifestyle signal. It's your body's way of telling you that something needs to change. Today, I'm going to guide you on how yoga and the right diet can give you the power to manage diabetes. Firstly, did you know that diabetes begins in the mind even before it reaches your pancreas? When we are constantly under stress, our body is flooded with cortisol. And cortisol doesn't give you headaches. It quietly pushes your blood sugar up. This is why yoga is so powerful. Yoga isn't about just stretching, exercise, etc. It calms your nervous system. And when the nervous system is relaxed, your hormones begin to regulate themselves. Even simple yoga asanas, when practiced daily, can reduce your blood sugar level. There are also scientific studies showing that people who practice yoga for 12 weeks saw their HbA1c drops by almost 1%. You may practice all asanas, especially Yogendra Yoga Mudra, Yogendra Pavanmuktasana, Yogendra Ardhamatyendrasana, Yogendra Paschimottanasana, and Yogendra Haspadangusthasana. They are the best because they really activate your pancreas. Sarvangasana will help in blood circulation. Simple foot exercises are a must because blood circulation in feet is low in many diabetics. And remember, diabetes is not about sugar, it's about rhythm. Rhythm of breath, the rhythm of sleep, the rhythm of meals. Yoga helps restore this rhythm. It slows down your mind, your nervous system, and brings you back to the place of balance. To achieve this, one must practice Pranayama, such as Yogendra Pranayama 4. Even Yoni Mudra is very beneficial. Cleansing kriyas such as Jalneti, Trataka, and Vaman Dhauti help to create confidence to overcome any chronic health condition. However, some diabetics may also have other complications such as cardiac issues and eye problems. So, it is best to practice yoga under supervision of a trained yoga teacher or a therapist. Apart from all these excellent yoga techniques, we also need to have a second look at our diet. Fresh, seasonal fruits and home-cooked meals are the best. We replace traditional grains with polished rice and wheat, but millets like foxtail millet or finger millet can reduce your sugar spike by about 30%. 30% is not a small difference. Then there is a methi or fenugreek. A spoonful of soaked methi seeds in the morning, taken daily along with yogurt, has been shown to reduce fasting sugar. This is not just a traditional remedy, it's also published in the Indian medical journals. And then there is turmeric. The curcumin in turmeric, haldi, has the power to delay the onset of diabetes in pre-diabetics by nearly 10 months. You see, our food makes a big difference. But it's not just what we eat, but when we eat. If you are eating dinner late at 9:30 or 10, it's time to change that now. Here at the Yoga Institute, our therapists have observed that people who eat all the meals between 8 a.m. to 7:30 p.m. have a better insulin sensitivity, even without losing weight. In Ayurveda, there is a concept of Dinacharya and some Bhojana, that is following a timely routine and not snacking constantly. Our elders always told us, Beta, sit down for some time after your meals. Don't jump or run. Yes, our body needs to relax a bit for better digestion. And then there is a beautiful asana called as Yogendra Vajrasana, which is the only asana that can be done right after eating. and modern studies have confirmed that it actually improves digestion and helps balance sugar level after meals. Try sitting in Vajrasana for 10 minutes after lunch or dinner and you will feel the difference. Today, more than 77 million people in India live with diabetes. But remember, it's a lifestyle condition, and that means that it can be improved through the lifestyle changes. You don't need to fight your body, you need to listen to it. And yoga and nutrition is the language your body understands best. So if you are wondering where to begin, start just where you are. Make changes one by one, and within weeks you will see positive changes in your blood reports. We don't need to fear diabetes. We just need to develop awareness. Namaskar.